it again. Yep, that's me crashing the bike. Yep, there goes the 636. I crashed the bike and I didn't catch it on GoPro because you know me. It's always whenever I'm like, I even grabbed this GoPro before I even headed out and I'm like, nah, I'm just going down the road. Nothing's gonna happen. Wrong. I crashed the bike and so the fairing's a little messed up. Some panels fell off. It happens. It happens. But ironically, on the same day, I get the new chain to put on the Rebel. So, I mean, if one's not broken, the other one is. And that's fine, or else I'd have nothing to record. But, hey, we can go check out the 636 just so you can see what happened to it. Yes, let's go. Alright, so I've had time to calm down a bit, so it's not that bad. I just gotta fix some things. Ripped this off. This came out, so that panel's gone. Yeah, it's a little scratched up. So I'm probably gonna need, well, and that too. I'm gonna need a new light, a new panel, and up here, the brake lever. Yeah, gonna need a new one of those, or I could just bend it back. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. But yeah, I mean the mirror's a little messed up, but I mean it's not. Never mind. Gotta get a new mirror. Yeah, that's about it. Okay, so it is dark now, so it's a little too late to be working on the bikes. But tomorrow we're gonna work on the Rebel, so time for me to go home, get some sleep, because we got some big things to do. So yeah, see you then. Bye. Okay. Well, first things first. Ew. Gross. Knock off some of them webs. And we gotta get this little thing off. So lefty loosey. It's this way. Okay, now I gotta remember to keep these parts together, because my biggest problem is that I don't know how to put things back where they came from. And oh, interesting. Shimmy. Oh, ow. Okay. Huh? What's that? Come out. I know you wanna. Cha-ching. I don't think there's a master link on these OEM chains, so we're gonna take a quick look first. Make sure it's all dusty and crusty, and I don't like it. But I'm not seeing no master link. So this is where you just choose one. I choose you. Now you put it on here like so. And if I'm doing this wrong, because I'm doing this straight off memory, it's okay because I'm not using this chain anymore. So it's my strong hand. Come on. Yeah, I've done this before, but I figured I could do it again without looking at the Uber tubes. 'Cause I got this. I got this. I just wish I got this a little faster, dang it. Come on. Let's see. Oh, there we go. There we go. Come on. There we go. There we go. Come on. Come on out. It's okay. Hey-yo. Got it. Alright. We'll run it through this way. Hey. What the fuck? Uh-oh. What happened? We're stuck. What happened, step chain? Come on. I see. I see. It's okay. It's okay. Look at that. Oh. That's right. Na 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 na. Look at that. And I'm freewheeling. Look at that pin. That's the suckaroonie we was working on. Got it. Alright, now. Hey-oh. New chain. Okay, now if I remember correctly, I don't know if I should like have it the exact same length as that chain, because I feel like it needs to be a link shorter. But I do know I have to break a chain on this one just to even it out. But cha-ching! Ooh, what is this? That goes in the pocket for later. This is clean enough. Now. Okay. How many links has this one got? One. What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right. 758, 59. Okay. So this has 59. This one has 56. You gotta cut this down to 56. And then we should be good to pop her on. God, I hate this part. Okay, so time to recount all the links and put it in my notes, because Lord knows I can't remember numbers nor count. So here we go again. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright, so now we gotta take off the links to the new one and make it 114. So 120. Jesus, 120 minus 4. Alright. 120 minus 114, so 20 minus 14. 14. Alright, this is serious. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alright, 6. So we gotta take off 6 links. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. This is big decisions. Consequences. Alright, I don't. Yeah, but you can see just how much stretched that is compared to that. That's fine though. Alright, take off the 6. That's tight. Oh, we need that leverage. broke through the first part. We're getting somewhere. Come on, Lefty Lucy. Lefty Lucy. Let's do it like this. Come on. Hey, I need that. I'm all alone. There's no one here beside of me. It's okay. It's okay, Diabito. No. You know, and I'm okay with, like, if I mess this up, because quite honestly, it's my bike. I'm glad knowing that I tried to fix it and I messed it up, rather than I let some other doofus freaking do it and they messed it up. Because I don't like to hate nobody but myself, you know? Oh, it's called accountability. Take notes. Come on, baby. That's right. Oh, is that it? Hey, I think that's it. Yeah. Alright, loosen up. Skeeter. I got one more silver dollar, and I'm not gonna let them catch me, no. Not gonna let them catch the Midnight Rider. I need to chill out. I'm gonna get copyright for having the voice of an angel. Alright. Now, we got the rings. Okay, well, after a whole lot of baloney, I finally got it for the most part figured out. Alright, so this is the link that needs to go with the new. And there's the master link in there with the O-rings, with the little rings in it. All right, so we gotta take this. Now, honestly, this is the scary part of it all, because I don't want to lose crap. So hopefully, it all does all right. And I really feel like I gotta have to take this off. I really don't want to, but it looks like I'm gonna have to. I hate that. Oh, please, baby, please. Let it be, let it be. Please, 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 please. Please, 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 please. Oh, yeah. All right, so that's ironically the one we need. Lefty Lucy. Lefty, yes. Let's pop this bad boy off. Come on. Oh, there's another one. Dang you. Alright. Well, there's another one. And this is how it starts. Go. Come on. You gotta get low. Get low, get low, get low. More. Dude, what the? Oh, man. Y'all got me going through some bull crap. Don't y'all know I'm crippled? I can't do this. How the hell? Time to get innovative. Come on, mama. Come on, mama. I know y'all are gonna hate me for this, but I'm about to try to do this without. Because I can see in there. Screw it, we're gonna try it. Now then. through. Hope to Jeebus it works. Come on. What? Come on. Don't be. Why? Come on, baby. Come on. I feel you. I feel you. Come on. Go. Now, is that on this or that? Oh, baby. Oh, it's on. It's on. Yeah. Now then. New problem. Please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me. Thank you. Give me the hammer. So no good. That's fine though. You fix that. Let's go. Alright. Now then, I need to sit right here. Yeah, we'll fix all that crap here in a minute. Right now, we're focusing on the real problem, which is this. Okay. Pop them in. Just like that. Alright. Now then. Do it again. Get these little rings. Go boop. Boop. Okay. Now then. Just again. Line them up. Pop them in. Just like so. Come on. Come on, bastard. 1, 2. There we go. Oh. Oh, Gimpy, don't start now. Alright. I feel like this will work. This we can use to pop them back in. Alright, bud. If that's the way you want to freaking do it. I could play the hard game too. I could do that too, bud. Alright, you think you're the only one? Think you the only one? Think you're the only bat around here? Come on now. Check this. Come on with a player. Hey. Bro, there's gotta be a flathead somewhere. Ah. Well, boys, I think we did it. I think we did it. Oh, and that, my friends, is how Ben puts on a chain. Jesus. All right, well, got that. Let's pop it in neutral. Let's see what we got. Hey, it's not neutral. There we go. That's neutral. And don't mind that other sound, because that's another problem for another day. Alright. Good news. It's on, bubba. Now time to put this back together. Please let this be it, because I'm done. Done enough. Freaking crippled. Y'all got me out here doing this crap. I got myself doing this crap. after, what is it? Hold up. It's like 7. We started at 5-ish. So a 2-hour job. Not so bad. But now it's time to ride. I gotta clean up, throw some padding because I can't ride like this, but let's go. Alright, it's time to ride, but remember, boys and girls, safety first because consequences. I forgot my mic for the innards, so you're not gonna hear me that good. We're gonna ride, and then I'll tell you whenever we get gas, because baby's empty. Lego. Ooh. Oh, well.
Nice bike. What is it?
Thank you, sir. Huh?
I thought it was an Indian Scout.
Shoot, I wish. I ain't got that Indian money, you know what I'm saying? Nah, if you stuck around this long, thank you. But moral of the story, if you crash a bike, at least wear your protective gear or else you'll end up looking like Deadpool's face. And another thing is have more bikes. That way, you know, you have something if that one goes down. But yeah, I love y'all. But I got another bike to fix, so see you.